Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at estimating calculations. So the objective here is to estimate calculations by rounding numbers. So a quick definition before we get started. So the meaning of the word estimation is getting an approximate answer by first rounding numbers to a suitable degree of accuracy and then calculating. So we usually round numbers to one significant figures when we're estimating something. So here are some examples. We need to estimate the following. So firstly, we have 48 times 21. So I can put this squiggly equal sign, which basically means approximately equal to, and I'm going to round 48 to 50 because to one significant figure, 48 rounds up to 50, and 50 is a much easier number to work with. 21, I'm going to round down to 20 because 20 is 21 to one significant figure, and again, the number 20 is a lot easier to work with than 21. So now I can quite easily calculate 50 times 20 because 5 times 2 is 10 and there are 2 zeros to put on the end. So 48 times 21 is approximately equal to 1,000. This next one I'm going to do the same thing. So 396, if I round that up to 400, that's to one significant figure, and the number 400 is a lot easier to work with than 396. So I'm dividing 400 by 8. So 40 divided by 8 is 5. So 400 divided by 8 is going to be 50. This next one, I'm going to round all of my numbers to one significant figure. So 19.6, that's going to go up to 20. 42.3, that's going to go down to 40. And I'm dividing that by 3.9, but I'm going to round 3.9 up to 4. So I have 20 plus 40, that's 60. And 60 divided by 4, that is 15. So the answer to this question is 15. So this one I have 0.398 times 6.2. So this time I'm going to round to one significant figure. So 0.398, that's going to round up to 0.4. And 6.2, that's just going to round to 6. And 0.4 times 6, that is going to be 2.4 because 6 times 4 is 24. So if I divide that by 10, that gives us 2.4. So that's the answer to that question. This one here, if I round 4.1 to one significant figure, that's simply 4, and 4 squared is 16, so 4.1 squared is approximately 16. Here's an exam style question. This is a question that would typically appear in an exam, so we need to estimate 6.1 times 31 over 0.78. So if I round to one significant figure, so 6.1 becomes 6, 39 becomes 40, and 0.78 becomes 0.8. So 6 times 40, that's 240, 0.8 stays as it is. So what I could do here to make the calculation a little bit easier is I could multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 10. So if I did that, I end up with 2,400 divided by 8, which I know is 300, because 24 divided by 8 is 3, so 2,400 divided by 8 is 300. So the answer to this question is 300, that's worth 2 marks, and that's that question. So here are some quick fire practice questions. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. So I've just displayed the answers on the screen, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!